In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple charts on MetaTrader 5. If you're a trader using MetaTrader 5, being able to view multiple charts simultaneously can be an incredibly useful skill. It allows you to analyze different instruments and timeframes side by side, so you can make more informed trading decisions. So let's dive into the steps on how to do this. First, you'll want to open the MetaTrader 5 platform on your computer. Once the platform is up and running, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is called Market Watch, and it's where you're going to find all the symbols or instruments available for trading. If you don't see the Market Watch panel, you can easily bring it up by clicking on the View menu at the top and selecting Market Watch, or simply pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard as a quicker alternative. Now that you have the Market Watch window visible, you'll be able to see a list of symbols. To open a chart for any given symbol, right-click on the symbol you're interested in. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in the Euro/US dollar. You would scroll through the list to find the correct symbol, and then give it a right-click. Once you right-click on the symbol, a context menu will appear. From this menu, you will want to select the option that says Chart Window. Clicking on Chart Window opens a new chart within the main area of your MetaTrader 5 platform. This chart will display the price movements for the symbol you selected with default settings. If you want to open additional charts, simply repeat these steps. Go back to the Market Watch panel, scroll to another symbol you're interested in, right-click, and select Chart Window again. Each time you do this, a new chart will open, allowing you to view and analyze multiple symbols at once. This is particularly useful for conducting cross-analyses and strategic trading decisions. You also have the option to customize each chart to fit your personal trading style and preferences. By right-clicking on the chart itself, you can adjust properties like colors, indicators, and timeframes. It's all about creating a setup that works best for you and makes your trading as efficient and effective as possible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to open multiple charts on MetaTrader 5. Remember, being able to view several charts simultaneously can give you a more comprehensive view of the market, so take advantage of this feature. Play around with different symbols and timeframes until you find a setup that suits your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.